Welcome to Clarien iBank. Enjoy the freedom to bank whenever you want, wherever you are, with 24/7 access from your desktop or on the go with Clarien iBank Mobile. In this video, we will highlight the Clarien iBank dashboard to help you access the many features available within the platform. Let's get started. To view secure iBank messages, please click on the message icon at the top menu. To create a new message, click plus New Message. Select your topic from the drop-down options. Add a subject and your message in the message body. Add an attachment by selecting Browse to locate your file. Select Send to submit your secure message to the bank. For assistance with the iBank platform, select the Help icon at the top menu. Here you'll find guides and tips on how to complete tasks and transactions, such as opening an account or using the app. To print within your iBank account, select the printer icon at the top menu. To log out, select the Log Out icon, also located at the top menu. This concludes your Clarien iBank My Dashboard demonstration. We hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions, our team is available to help. Please call us on 441-296-6969 or email servicecenter@clarienbank.com. Thank you for entrusting Clarien with your banking needs.